It might be bad, but we'll see. I'll have 20 minutes to take a name out of this bowl and make whatever challenge and name they gave me. So here we go. And, oh, look at that. Pikachu. Funny enough, I've done a bunch of Pokemon, but I've never done Pikachu. So this will be fun. Okay. All right, Pikachu. Come on, little guy. Help me out here. Because Pikachu's head is the most iconic thing, it's easier to start with his head. But oftentimes I actually like to start with the hand or the feet of a character. So let's start with his ears actually, and make it even more precise. How was the shape of his ears? Oh God. And this is why you should always use a reference, so you don't have to panic when you're modeling. Still at his head. I have his ears. I'm trying to do his cheeks, but I gave him really sharp jaw, which is completely contrary to Pikachu. So I'm going to try to flip him and get this to look half decent. It might be bad, but we'll see. Doing his arm, but it's just a big stick, and I'm trying to think like it's a little paw. It's like little. Oh, man. And we're just about done. It ain't perfect, but we got ourselves a Pikachu. We can always add some other things. I have time for other things. I have time for other things. Yeah, it was definitely a challenge. And I still came out with the result under limited time. And I'm glad I still remembered how Pikachu looked. One of the most iconic creatures in video games. So, Pokemon Company, I'm sorry. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know more about voxel art and how to make voxel art, check out my course at Domestika. Okay, I really want to see what you guys gave me for the other ones, because the Pikachu was interesting. Oh boy, Spider-Man. Yoshi was one of the very first models I made when I was modding games. Marge Simpson. I wish I pulled this one out. Perfect iconography through Marge Simpson, just blue and yellow, and you know it's her. Anyone can figure that out. The Joker. Oh God, I'm glad I did not get this one. I'm glad those I didn't, but I did get some or not. But I'm gonna probably make them again. I would love to make these, especially Marge Simpson. I'm watching you. Let's do that.